Thank you. It's really an honor to be present here, Jeffrey and I representing the division of IBM that spends all its time with the developer community. That is our focus for this year, 2016. There are two words which we're so fond of, we've been repeating it all over again, cognitive and cloud. And yet, we have been invited here this evening to talk about IoT. So let me try to quickly connect these two while Jeffrey gets ready to get onto his laptop and take you through the core of what we believe and we are having as an offering on IoT. With all of these sensors just explosively growing out there, I think what's happening is the rate of data is just increasing by leaps and bounds, and this is a given. The fact is that not even 0.5%, not even 0.5% of that is being analyzed or used. So we believe in IBM that if we have to make sense of all this, there has to be a new data imperative. There has to be a new analytics imperative. And what happened when the internet was first spoken of? We picked up the data and transported it across the network into the backends. But I think we've gone a full circle, and today we're just doing the reverse of that. And that's what IBM is trying to do with all its wonderful things on cognitive, trying to get out there and make things happen at the moment, at the point of data collection, at that very source of data being generated. And this is where a whole new paradigm is happening. So yes, we will take you through some of what we are doing on IBM Watson IoT platform in terms of the business analytics, but it's all of these IoTs is in the context of cognitive. So on that note, before I hand over, one quick one on topic of the career, the theme of this evening, I would like to leave two quick messages. Number one, for all of us over here who are looking at getting into a startup mode and in the entrepreneurship, I don't know whether all of you would be aware of a program that we've been running pretty successfully in this Mecca, as Isaac said, in this Mecca of the startup in India, the Global Entrepreneurship Program. Okay, now, put in one line, this program offers you what we are good at, namely the cloud as a platform. And these credits are made available. There are a whole host of other engagements that go with that. But then I would just leave it at that one point that, and we are 4 of us out here, so at the dinner networking, feel free if you need to take a deeper dive into this global entrepreneurship program. And we have more than 1,000 odd people who have companies that have been onboarded onto this just in the last 8 or 9 months. And there is also in the developer, since the focus is so much on the developer, do visit us at developer.ibm.com, the watering hole of developers, and irrespective of what category, the student developer, the entrepreneur, or the startup developer, or the enterprise developer, no matter in which stage it is, the developer will do well for himself or herself if they were to be looking at certification, professional certification. And this is something that is readily available, and in this short span of time, we've noticed that it's very interesting how even the global systems integrators are very quickly looking up to this at one end, and their 5-10 years of experience, their little nephews and nieces on campus are also looking at the same for different reasons. So certification, the Global Entrepreneurship Program, you're welcome to talk to us about it. And now, on that note, I'll hand over to Jeffrey. Thank you.